To rematch on Bumble, start by opening the application and logging into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the conversation section by tapping the message icon at the bottom right corner. Here, you will see a list of users you are currently chatting with on the platform. If you have a match that has expired and you want to reinitiate a conversation, you will need to rematch with that user. To do this, tap on the user's profile picture, and a window will appear with a rematch option, which you can tap to rematch. Note that the rematch feature is only available to subscribers of Bumble Boost or Bumble Premium, so you will need to be subscribed to one of these plans. Additionally, you can only rematch with profiles where it was your turn to send a message. If it was the other person's turn, they will need to rematch with you. By following these steps, you can easily rematch on Bumble and re-establish a connection with someone.